Hi everybody, my name is Delicia Tejeda. I am the admissions manager here at Southern Careers North Campus. I am going to take you on a tour, show you our facility and how we assist with career training. Go ahead and follow me on this tour. So our first stopping station is going to be our medical assistant program. Within the medical assistant program, you're able to learn front and back office. This is our medical lab here at Southern Careers Institute. As you can see, our classrooms are set up like medical offices. So once you are done getting your lecture portion of your course, you will then move on to your clinical side of your program, where you actually get the hands-on real-world training. Things that you will learn in here are going to be phlebotomy, where you can give injections, draw blood. You'll also be able to take vitals, EKG, as well as CPR. These are opportunities that you are given to become certified in. The SCI Edge is what sets us aside from other schools. We offer 14 skill badges that you're able to earn during your time here. We also offer up to 6 stackable certifications. These certifications are what employers are looking for. It gives you more of a leg up when applying for work at the end of your program, and it shows what you've mastered within the program. So learning about our SCI Edge, can you see how our stackable certifications and multiple skill badges definitely give you an advantage in the job market? Now go ahead and come along and follow me on this tour. Our next stopping point is going to be our medical billing and coding program. So if drawing blood, working directly with patients isn't for you, medical billing and coding will definitely be the career path that would benefit you if you're wanting to stay in the medical field. You get the billing side of it as well as the coding side of it. You'll learn electronic health records. You'll be able to work in different areas such as clinics, hospitals, doctors' offices. So definitely many opportunities once you complete the program. As you can see, our medical programs are definitely tailored to fit the needs of employers that we do work with. Now let's go ahead and continue this tour. Our next stopping point is going to be our commercial motor vehicle program. So during your time here, the program consists of you not only in the classroom, but also behind the wheel driving the 18-wheelers. So at the end of your program, you will be given the opportunity to test and obtain your Class CDLA license. And let's go ahead and continue on our tour. Our next stopping point is going to be our business programs. We do offer both business administration and business accounting. Our business administration is going to focus more on the HR and administration side, as well as the entrepreneurship. So if you are ever looking to own your own business, business administration will definitely be the program for you. Now our business accounting specialist program, that is going to tie in business along with the accounting portion of it. So if numbers is more of your theme, business accounting specialist will be the program for you. So can you see how our business programs here at Southern Careers can definitely open many doors and opportunities for you within the job market? So now let's go ahead and continue our tour. Another program that is offered here at Southern Careers is going to be our Computer Support Specialist program. Our Computer Support Specialist program is a live virtual program. One of the main certifications that you are able to obtain is going to be your CompTIA Plus certification for Computer Support Specialist. That certification alone will set you up for success when landing that job. Now let's go ahead and continue on our tour. Our next stopping point is going to be our welding program. During your time here, you're able to obtain multiple certifications within the NCCER. So the benefit of being NCCER certified is that it is a nationally recognized certification. To prepare you for your NCCER exams, we do incorporate the NCCER curriculum here at Southern Careers. This is our welding lab here at Southern Careers Institute, where all our welders get the hands-on training that will set them up for success in the workplace. So if you enjoy working with your hands, welding is definitely going to be a program for you. Now let's go ahead and continue on our tour. Our next stopping point is going to be our HVAC program. Our HVAC program that is offered here at Southern Careers, you will be given the opportunity to learn residential and commercial techniques to set you up for success in the work field. Another application that we utilize here for a HVAC program is going to be called Interplay. Interplay is actually a system that we utilize that will give you the opportunity to troubleshoot through a simulating environment. Here in our HVAC lab, you do get the hands-on experience of taking apart and putting back together HVAC systems from both commercial and residential systems. So can you see how obtaining these multiple certifications here at Southern Careers has you job ready day one? Now let's go ahead and continue our tour. Our next stopping area is going to be our electrical program. Our electrical program here is also an NCCER certified program. You will learn both commercial and residential practices here at Southern Careers. Just like HVAC, you will also learn trade safety, construction basics before entering and getting your hands on training. We always like to say safety first. If you're looking for a career as an electrical technician, can you see how the skills you learn in the electrical program will meet the needs of the employers? Now let's go ahead and continue on our tour. Have you ever tried job searching on your own? It definitely can be stressful. Here at Southern Careers, we have our career service department that will assist with mock interviews, resume preparation, and most importantly, getting you set up with employer partners in our area that will help you get the job. I want to thank you for taking this tour with me. We are excited to help you towards your path towards your new career, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.